The world is wide, yet his heart felt small. He searched for a place to escape the noise within, wondering if peace lived in the mountains, the ocean, or somewhere far beyond the horizon. Every step forward was a battle between doubt and hope, until he realized sometimes the greatest journey is not about where you go, but about what you leave behind.
Soil, eyes wide with wonder, a journey begins. There are places where silence speaks louder than words. Switzerland is one of them. Do not sing, yet their stillness composes eternity. Where the mountain rise, the spirit learns to bow. In every glacial whisper and echoing peak, the soul finds its forgotten melody. Each step upon these paths is a note in a song older than language. Symphony of Switzerland, a hymn to serenity, conducted by creation itself.